Hi, this is Mark. These are English conversation clips. Yes. Let's practice the pattern I shouldn't have plus past participle. This pattern is to express regret about something done in the past. Let's look at some dialogues or short conversations. I stayed up all night watching videos. You shouldn't have stayed up so late. This person feels regret because they were watching videos all night. So maybe this person is sleepy, this person is tired, and the response was, you shouldn't have stayed up so late, right? That was a bad idea. I forgot to send an important email. You shouldn't have forgotten. I forgot to send an important email. You shouldn't have forgotten. Person A feels regret because they forgot to send this important email. Maybe it's an email to their company or a customer, and this person might get in trouble because the important email did not get to where it should have. Person A feels regret because they had forgotten to send the important email. Support me on Patreon so I can support you here. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.